If you have an offer right now and you're doing all the right things, but you're just not getting the results you want, then this video is going to be for you. I had a client recently come in and he had incredible work ethic. He's been in the field for a long time. He's closed sales before, but for some reason his offer wasn't hitting more than 10, 15 grand a month. And the reason was because of simply adjusting the perception of his offer. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you the power of perception and how you can use persuasion and perception to make your offer seem like the key to everything. And so it's actually twice as easy to close, more people book calls, and all your marketing is actually going to pay off and give you an ROI. Now, it's not about changing your offer. It's about learning how to make it sound better, make it sound like the answer to all people's problems. So I want you to remember this. If you can make a prospect believe what you're saying, they'll need what you're selling. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how and give you some examples. My name is Armin Shafee. I'm the founder of howtogetcoaching.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you just implement this one thing, you'll probably see a huge spike in your sales moving forward. So enjoy.
Think about how they sell you pills. Yeah. They go, look, you have low confidence, low self-esteem, no women want you, you can't pay your mortgage, just buy this pill. You take this pill, everything's better. Wife's gonna forgive you, bills are gonna be paid. That's what marketing should feel like. I didn't say that bullshit, because that's obviously not, but it should feel like that. Yeah. Make it feel like so whiteboard webinar is the method for that. See, I do that with viral content, viral organic. I go, if you just go viral, all your problems are better. No more ghosting, no response. Is that true? Is it actually like that? No, nothing's actually like that. Everything in life takes work. The idea of selling something is the perceived easy way out. And that's not because we're here trying to make it seem like the people selling it, like I'll speak of myself, it's not because I want to fucking tell you, it's because you guys won't buy unless it is. That's the truth. The truth is you force entrepreneurs to package it unrealistically. And it's not a lie, because it's true. It is easier than whatever you're doing, but it's not as easy as you think. It's the irony of it. But we force people marketing to us to persuade us into thinking it's better than it is. Because we'll give them our money if it isn't perceived that way. No, we're teaching marketers, and that way the market's teaching us how to talk to them. So I'm gonna tell you one viral post, boom. And look, is it true? Yes. I mean, you guys fucking go viral post and like you have leads for days. Does it mean you're gonna make a bunch of money? No, because you probably suck at sales. Does it mean it's your business off the ground? No, because there's a lot more to business than just getting leads. But I have to make it sound perceivably like you take this pill and all your dreams come true. You got to make it sound like that. Now your pill is whiteboard webinar. You're gonna love it. Like have fun with it. Show them presentation skills. Give them the structure. Like make your whole program about doing crushing whiteboard webinars, doing it in groups in front of many and how to promote this, and doing it on calls to sell. Like do it everywhere. It's going to be great. They're going to love you for that. That's a real method that they're a real skill they're learning to do. Okay. Then you're going to feel better. We found the problem. We fixed it. That's what coaching is. Now, you know, okay. And the thing is called whiteboard webinar. Method name's done. You know, the whole program, your messaging, the pain you should be solving is all the things a whiteboard webinar fixes. And I already gave you a couple long sales calls where you're asking hundreds of questions. Instead of like, let me just show you. Even some of my clients are like, maybe I should learn whiteboard. Fuck all this long mirror selling Armin's teaching me. Here's the funniest truth. They're all going to be hard. It doesn't matter if you learn mirror selling or whiteboard selling. It doesn't matter. What matters is all of us, no matter what road we choose, we're going to hit that point in the road where we go. Every road is going to be hard. At what point is it going to be hard is different, but inevitably every road is going to be hard. We need to become better, not spit on the road. So it doesn't matter if you learn whiteboard, because see, here's the thing, Jay, right? Watch this. So quickly, I'll defame your method. I'll deframe it, meaning I'll make it sound bad. I'll make it sound good. No more long questioning therapy sessions, having to get to the pain, asking uncomfortable questions, having to message 100 people to make sales. That's my method. See how bad I'm making it sound? Just get them on a call, do one whiteboard webinar, open your Zoom whiteboard, draw some squiggly lines, put some words there, make them see themselves why they need this. And they'll be asking you, how can I pay you? See how I just made it sound? I'm going to reverse it now. See, this is the power of perception. I'm like was getting on a call and like having to know how to present and pitch the person, then them feeling like you're pitching them. And then you got to make a whiteboard and start breaking down all the sciencey things. And they're going to be like overwhelmed to have questions. You won't even know the problem is. At the end, they're going to say, let me think about it. Instead, just follow this script. You ask these questions in this sequence. At the end of it, they're wondering how much it is because you've hit the pain point that they need to solve. No matter what method you choose, I'll make it sound like it's the key. The point is get good at that skill. Then you're not trapped by your circumstances, because you have the skill to bend circumstances. That's what skill is. And so I don't care what you give me. You tell me how to go to networking events. Like, forget all this online stuff, guys. All this Facebook marketing, you got to write hours of posts a day. Then you got to go into the group. You got to find these groups. You get blocked from the group. Then you get soft blocked on Facebook. And then on Instagram, you need to hire a whole editing team. Forget this. Just go to one networking event. Meet 5 or 6 people. Build a genuine connection with them. 1 or 2 hours of genuine connections. You'll walk out 1 to 2, 5 to 10,000 clients. Your whole month is made. And you like them. You got selective. You get to enjoy, meet a lot of people. It's human. So it's not like you're looking at a screen all day and your eyes are going to be dying like this. So networking acceleration is the real way out of this. I just made that name up. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to make a point here. I want all of you to learn the ability to persuade is what's going to bend circumstance no matter what. Until you learn and get really good at that, you're trapped in the corner for whatever is the easiest path. And if you keep having to be so low skilled that the easiest path is the only way out, you'll never grow anything because eventually you're going to keep bringing the part in the road where you got to be better.